is the new XGT 40V Max Brushless Impact Driver from Makita. This is a heavy-duty unit optimized for formwork and other impact-killing construction tasks. It's got 230 Newton meters of max fastening torque and higher rotational speed, which means when driving bugles into LVL, it does it faster than the previous models from Makita. And being optimized for those heavy-duty tasks, it not only runs faster, but it's built for the task. It runs cooler and it'll last you longer. And at 230 Newton meters, it is the most powerful impact driver in the XGT range. It features 4 power modes, each increases the maximum torque, the maximum rotation speed, and the maximum impacts per minute. Maxing out at 3,900 RPM, which is faster than any of the previous XGT models as well. And while it has a slightly lower impacts per minute, it does have that redesigned heavy-duty anvil, so it hits harder and does it in less. On top of those 4 power modes, you've also got a T mode, which is optimized for driving self-tapping screws into sheet metal and plate. T mode has its own button, the power mode select button you can hold it down to cycle through the light modes. All in all, it's a really nicely balanced impact driver with ample power without being so big and bulky and heavy that it's like a brick to carry and use. And even though it's got all that power, it's still good for doing regular screws too. It's available now in the Makita aisle at your local Sydney Tools store, where you won't find a more comprehensive range of Makita tools and accessories. Make sure you check it out today, or head to our website for the full specs. To order online, if you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.